Today, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste a web address, also known as a URL. This is especially useful for students who are researching online and need to credit their sources, just like adding a bibliography for a book or article. I've done a quick search for kangaroo and opened a website. Now let's copy the link. There are a couple of ways to do this. First, click once in the address bar. Sometimes a single click or a double click will automatically highlight the entire URL. If that doesn't work, click at one end of the link, hold down your mouse button, and drag across to highlight it manually. Once the link is highlighted, you can copy it in two ways. Use the keyboard shortcut Command+C, or right-click the highlighted link and select Copy. The link is now saved to your computer's clipboard, ready to paste anywhere, like a Google Doc or a Word document. Now go to the place where you want to paste the link. You can right-click and choose Paste, or use the shortcut Command+V. When you press Enter, the URL will usually turn into a clickable hyperlink. There's also another method you can use without copying and pasting. Open your browser, click and hold the highlighted link, then drag and drop it directly into your Google Docs document. So to summarize, you have three easy options: highlight, copy, paste, keyboard shortcuts, Command+C, and Command+V. Drag and drop the link directly into your document. And that's how you can quickly copy, paste, or drag a web address wherever you need it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials updates. Thanks for watching.